Oh dear. Look at what we have here. Oh dear. Look at him. It's a little blurry here. So we just step a notch. No, here we go. Look at these deer. You can see his feet there. Nope. There's a passerby. Yes. But there's 2 deer. Hold on. Let that car go by. Okay. Deer. Yes. Oh dear! I'm a deer stalker. I stalk deer like nobody's business. Deer watcher. There's their tails. There's no swooshy wooshy, so they don't think they're in danger. Not yet. There's always danger that surrounds them. But that's mean. I'm here just to film it, not look at its insides on the outside. No, 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 no. No, all you precious babies. Precious babies. Yes. Look at you, sad sorrow bastards. Looking by a tree in K-I-S-S-I-N-G. Yes. The voice keeps saying system responding, that doesn't matter. Look at them. There. Yes. They came from over here, but they went along, and there's something run across. Yes, there's always something. Something. Yes. Yes, look at these 2 deer. 2 deer. Oh dear. Yes. Yes. Oh man. We're just sitting here eating grass. Yeah, but that's not what I'm trying to do. You know there's a guy like recording us or something, and he's trying to harm us or something, put our insides on the outside or something, or stalk us or something. He's filming a whole show of our species. Oh yeah, that is a little concerning. Yeah, it probably is. Maybe we should get out of here. I think I like this grass more. No, we should get out of here. No, man. I like this grass more. Okay, well, oh yeah, this grass is good, but you know how we are. Penn State. I like this grass. You, Penn State, man. Yeah. Huh. Oh dear! I went just to get this phone while charging. Barge it into my room just to grab it. It took long to get the phone on, but I got this in time. Yes. The oh dears! Yes. Yeah, let's walk up this hill. Let's just keep walking. Yeah, you walk up that hill, damn it. What? Yeah. Next time your species come out, the camera's always rolling. Always rolling. Deer. Wow. Yes. Can't see them before, but there. Well, that'll end this episode, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the deer stalker, and be back for more neighbors nature soon. Even though I'm not at the neighbors, I'm at my house this time, but you get the gist. See you later, everyone. It was fun being a deer watcher, deer sniffer.